Welcome to Learn Right Her. In this video we'll look at how to conquer WASSCE Core Mathematics. Subscribe to our channel. Navigating the labyrinth of WASSCE Core Mathematics can be daunting, yet with the right strategies and mindset, you can conquer it with ease. In this comprehensive tutorial, we'll delve into the intricacies of the exam, offering you a roadmap to not just pass, but excel in 2024. Buckle up as we embark on this enlightening journey. Step 1. Understand the syllabus. First things first, familiarize yourself with the syllabus. It's your blueprint. Take a close look at the topics covered, from algebra and geometry to statistics and calculus. Create a study plan that allocates time for each area, ensuring a balanced approach. Step 2. Gather quality resources into a treasure trove of resources. Seek out textbooks, online courses, and past exam papers. Websites and forums dedicated to WASSCE can be goldmines of information. Don't shy away from YouTube tutorials. They can provide visual explanations that make complex concepts more digestible. Step 3. Practice. Practice. Here's where the magic happens. Engage in rigorous practice sessions. Solve a variety of problems, from the straightforward to the challenging. Past questions are particularly valuable. They give you a taste of the exam format and time constraints. Set a timer to mimic exam conditions and build your speed and accuracy. Step 4. Form study groups. Learning is often more effective in a collaborative environment. Form or join a study group with peers who are equally motivated. Discussing problems, explaining concepts to one another, and sharing different solving techniques can enhance your understanding and retention. Step 5. Seek help when stuck. Don't let confusion linger. If you encounter challenging topics, seek help. This could be from teachers, tutors, or online forums. Remember, asking questions is a sign of strength, not weakness. Clarifying doubts early on prevents them from becoming stumbling blocks later. Step 6. Master time management. During the exam, time is of the essence. Practice managing your time effectively. Learn to allocate specific minutes to each question and stick to it. If you get stuck on a problem, move on and return to it later. This strategy helps you maximize your score by answering all questions. Step 7. Revise strategically. As the exam date looms closer, focus on revision. Create summary notes of key formulas and concepts. Use flashcards for quick recall. Engage in active revision techniques, such as teaching back the material, which reinforces your understanding. Step 8. Stay calm and confident. As the exam approaches, cultivate a mindset of calm and confidence. Practice relaxation techniques, whether it's deep breathing, meditation, or light exercise. A clear mind is your best ally on exam day. Go ahead, practice these and pass your exam. Do subscribe to our channel and keep supporting. Bye.